John with John's Trucks. Today I've got a 2008 titled trailer, Neville built, 53-foot drop deck, beaver tail, 5-foot beaver tail, 3 flip down ramps. This trailer set up with Precision brand stainless steel tanks. There's a 1,600-gallon tank here on the front, 3,200-gallon tank on the rear, fully baffled, fully drainable sumps, full length of the bottom of the tank. Farmer has this and he just wants to sell it. He is upgraded to a big full stainless steel trailer tanker and is just ready to move this unit. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. He's used it for all these years, and he does take the tanks off and hauls bales with it. Easy removable. Comes off real simple. Spread axle design, air ride suspension, dump valve. This trailer's in really great condition. Wood is in great shape. The Apatong wood. Rust, but still has paint, but nothing is rusted through. It's in great shape, got a lot of life left in it. He has always kept it in the shed when he wasn't using it, so it never sat outside except for when it was being used. But he'd haul bales with it quite a bit too. Tires in great shape, all virgin rubber. Brakes are DOT inspected. Just got done last fall. It's good. He has never hauled any heavy equipment, you know, no big tracks of any sort. Tractors, a few things like that. Aluminum box, hose holder. No hose in the tank, in the holder. Sight gauges on the tanks. Back tank does have a sparge line. Stake pockets, rub rail. This is a nice trailer. If you've got any interest in this, don't wait long. It will not last. Give me a call.